In case you accidentally deleted an email from the Gmail app, and if you want to restore it, then let us see how to do it. Let me open my Gmail application. Now what I will do is I will tap on this menu option. I will go to trash. Now this is the email which I have recently deleted. So if I want to restore it, I will open this email. I will tap on this more option. I will select move to and then primary. So the deleted email has been moved to the primary email. So let me go and check the primary. If you see, this email is now in the primary inbox. So this is how you can restore the deleted email in Gmail app. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest videos for free.